Matchbox 1977 Harvester Combine. Look at this, Model 379A. Leah, come on, baby!
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
Look at this Matchbox Combine Harvester, model number 379A. Oh, this is an oldie. This has a pivoting chute, so you could fill up your pickup trucks or your dump trucks as you harvested it. And as you roll along, that big harvester in the front rolls with you. Is that cool or what? Man, back in the day, this was very innovative. Matchbox International Combine Harvester 1977. Now this is 2010. Maybe it's a repop, but either way, this one is a vintage cool toy. Oh, Brother Leon, my farmer friend, I know he's gonna be harvesting soon. Take a look. Come on in after the harvest. I'll feed you some apple pie and ice cream. Little coffee too. I know you're a coffee guy. Thanks for coming in and bringing this into the Supper Club. Johnny Roman's Supper Club. We're having a toy car case event.
I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out.
Don't you wish you had that?
This is the place to be.